I had a whole intro about this wig ready, but I decided to just let this wig speak for itself, you guys. This is a synthetic wig. I'm going to show you all how to slay it. It was so easy and it looks amazing. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this video, you guys. So SAMSBEAUTY sent me this wig from Outre. I got it in the color dark chocolate truffle. This is their melted hairline wig. It's only about $38 to $40. It is a frontal wig. We're gonna go ahead and open this. So they claim this wig is already plucked. As you all can see, the part is already super duper prominent. There really is no reason to pluck this wig, but I always like to play around with it and pluck it just a little bit more. So let me show you all the inside of this wig. So it's almost like a T-part wig, and the front is all of lace. It also comes with an elastic band, which is really cool. So we're going to go ahead and put this on the wig head so we can really see what we're working with here. Yeah, that part is flawless. And look at those edges, you guys. Like, this looks like your regular human frontal almost. So I'm just putting my T-pins in to pin it down. But it even has like the little sideburn section. So of course you're going to cut it a little bit. But it looks really bomb right now. This lace is also transparent, you guys. I wanted you all to peep that. Like, y'all, here's the close-up with the flash on. I was kind of amazed. It also has a little bit of baby hair on it. I heard that all of Outre's wigs are really good. And I've been seeing the trend on TikTok. It seems like everybody's working with synthetic wigs. So this was actually a really cool experience. I really like this wig. I decided to be extra and do a little extra plucking into the wig. So I love the way this parts. Like, look how prominent that is. And I just decided to pluck a little bit more because I like a bald frontal, not bald, but I like a thin hairline because naturally on the side, well, especially at the temple, my hairline is actually thin. So then I plucked a little heavier on the other side of the part. I always feel like this side of a side part really makes or break the wig. So I just wanted to pluck a little bit more and make it a little thinner on this side of the part. Okay, so plucking the wig was not necessary at all, you guys, I promise you, but I was being extra. But we're going to go ahead and put the wig inside out on the wig cap. Now, I feel like this is really like possibly a key for darker skin tones. I'm going to spray some lace tint on the wig. I was having a hard time, you guys, so it took me a little minute. Okay, but we got it on. So now we are going to spray all of the lace with my lace tint. I'm going to use the EBN, I don't know, tinted lace spray. So I use the color medium brown. I'm 420 in the Fenty foundation, coconut in the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I can't think of any of my other colors, but I hope that helps. And we're going to spray a little bit above the hairline, like in front of the hairline, just to make sure we get all of the lace, because you always leave a little extra lace on your wigs anyway. So don't spray it directly where the hairline stops. So now we are installing this wig. So right now I'm just kind of positioning it on my head where I want it to be. And I'm feeling myself a little bit, you guys. I love this color on me. But you all see, like, that lace tint is like perfect for my skin tone, really. The first thing we're gonna do is take our scissors and cut a half section. Well, cut the lace into thirds. So on each side of our temples, so we should have a flap on each side of our head and then one in the middle. So, okay guys, I'm gonna expose myself, be very careful with the lace and pulling it, because you will see in this video, I actually ripped it accidentally. But anyway, I'm going to take my eyebrow razor and kind of just get the lace and cut the lace on down. You don't have to cut exactly on the hairline. You don't have to cut like super close is what I mean. So I like to cut each side before I cut the middle, so the left side and the right side. So that's just what we're doing here. We're just cutting with the eyebrow razor. The eyebrow razor creates like a jagged edge. And then I just realized I never showed you all how I install my wigs. So it's basically like this, you guys, but I'm going to give you all more of a detailed one soon. And this is the moment I messed up. I accidentally pulled the lace too hard and ripped my lace. So please be careful when you're tugging your wig to the side. The lace on here is really, really sensitive. So as for installing or adhering the lace to my skin, I like to use Got2b Glue Freeze Spray because you can see I really messed up, you guys, but we're gonna fix that. I like to use Got2b Glue Freeze Spray because I work out every day, and real lace glue, you're supposed to wait 48 hours until you get it wet, and I sweat a lot. So we're going to do 3 layers of Got2b Glue Freeze Spray. We're going to blow dry each layer till it's dry. I was having a few problems with my lash coming up, but now we're on the second layer. You can kind of like have your hand there to kind of direct the spray where you want it to be. That's one reason I really like to put on my wigs before I do my makeup, because the glue just slides all the way down my face and ruins my makeup sometimes. So that's why I kind of like direct it. So now we're on the third layer, you guys. Let me slow down. So on this layer is when I actually like put the glue on, and I put the wig where I want it to be on the glue, basically. So I don't blow dry it until I place the wig where I want the wig to be. And this is when I try to stop using my fingers. I don't know if I did here or not, but I bring out the rat tail comb or any kind of flat edge. Sometimes I use that eyebrow razor and kind of just like silk down all the ends, touch up any kind of extra area that isn't sticking down all the way. And this is when we're bringing out our blow dryer, making sure we get this lace stuck. Oh, like I was saying, making sure we get that lace stuck on there. I feel like Got2b Glue Spray actually holds very, very well. The longest I've had my wig stay on with Got2b Glue Freeze Spray was maybe 2 to 3 days. I can't remember, but I mean, that's pretty good, especially working out and my face getting really sweaty. But this is a synthetic wig, so you probably would want to take it off at night anyway. But yeah, we're just making sure everything is on there slick. But look at that hairline. It looks really good at the top where I really plucked like heavily. But it looks really good. That's one thing I love about synthetic wigs, is how it holds the curls too. Because I can't do these kinds of curls myself, but I feel like it holds it very, very well. And that's one thing you don't have to worry about. You just got to put that sucker on. I then decided I wanted to add a little baby hair right there at the part where I normally would put baby hair with any kind of like human hair wig side part. So I just cut that with the eyebrow razor, and we're going to use our gel to kind of slick it down. But I just love these curls. I want to know how to do them myself, honestly. And then once again, I'm really feeling myself. We're going to add a little mousse right up there to make sure it just curls the way I want it to, or like kind of like has the hump right there at the part like I wanted to. But guys, this is so cute. I really like this color on me. Okay, so I added the mousse, and then I'm gonna blow dry it right there and kind of like hold it to kind of get the shape I want it to have. And that's really it, guys. Okay, so that is it for this video. I am feeling this color, you guys. I am feeling just everything. I love how synthetic wigs, like the curl just stays there, you guys. But yeah, this is a color I normally wouldn't try, so it was really nice to try it on the website. So it says lace front. The name of it is Catalina. It's HD transparent lace, you guys. Like, you all saw me install it. Like, you really can't see any lace, you guys, especially when I add that lace tint to it. But it looks so cute. And this color on me is really cute, you guys. Like, I'm kind of feeling it, but for a synthetic wig, this is super duper bomb, you guys. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. The wig, and link the wig in the description box and all of that. Have a great day, you guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and have a great day, you guys. Bye.